Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good. So I'm again back with another video. So today's video would be a summer or a monsoon kind of a beauty, skincare, haul kind of video. So I have recently ordered a lot of products from Nykaa because their sale and all was going on, the Rakhi sale and all of that. So due to lockdown and all मुझे shipment थोड़ा सा late मिला, जिस वजह से मैं अभी करने वाली हूँ. So the box that I'm going to share the haul with you is a quite big box. So this is it. So I'll share a haul of all the products, and if you like this video, you know what you're gonna do. You're gonna like this video, share this video with your friends and family, do comment what you want to see next, and please do subscribe to my channel. And you can also follow me on my Instagram handle. The details of the Instagram handles will be in the description box below, and all the products that I'll share right now. And अगर आप चाहते हो कि मैं किसी पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट का कोई हॉल शेयर करूं या आप उसके बारे में डिटेल में जानना चाहते हो, तो मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर बताइए, एंड मैं उस प्रोडक्ट का फीडबैक ज़रूर शेयर करूंगी. राइट, सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. सो इट्स अ वेरी बिग बॉक्स, सो इट विल टेक अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम. सो आप लोग अपना रिफ्रेशमेंट लेके बैठ सकते हैं. So the very first product which I bought this time from Nykaa is this face wash from Wow. So the face wash which has a spatula in it, and lately it has been very popular, and सारे bloggers and YouTubers इसको try कर रहे थे and इसका feedback share कर रहे थे. So I thought why not, I'll just try it. So अभी मैं products randomly दिखाने वाली हूँ guys, because ये सारे जो product है almost 60-70% of it वो अभी आए हैं, तो मैंने कुछ भी यूज नहीं किया है इनमें से. सो आई फर्स्ट यूज इट एंड देन शेयर अ डिटेल्ड description about how did I like the product and everything. So yes, the first product is the Wow Brightening Vitamin C Foaming Face Wash. So this is product 1. The next product which I bought is again from Wow, and that is the Vitamin C Face Cream. So I have seen a lot of bloggers who have shared very positive review about this cream, and I wanted to use a vitamin C moisturizer kind of something since a long time, and finally I got this. And so yes, I'll try it, and again I'll share a review about it. So next very important thing in summer that you can do without is obviously body mist. So I have got two body mist here. So one is from Nykaa Wanderlust, and the variant is Japanese Cherry Blossom. I really love the smell. So once it arrived, I have already tried it on, and I really loved it. The smell is really soothing and very floral kind of fragrant. And if you are someone who has a migraine issue or sinus issue, and you have that trigger of strong smell, so you can definitely go for this. It has a very mild kind of a fragrance. So yes, one is this. And the next body mist that I took is from Body Cupid. This brand has lately been very popular on Instagram also. I have seen their products and I have seen the reviews very good, so I wanted to try something. So I thought why not begin with the body mist. So I have ordered this body mist with the variant Aqua Wave. So here is it, and it priced somewhere around $4.99, but I got it in offer somewhere $349 or $380. So guys, सारे प्रोडक्ट जो मैंने पहले भी आपको दिखाए हैं, सबके प्राइस मैं लिंक के साथ डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में ज़रूर डालूंगी, बिकॉज राइट नाउ आई डोंट नो ऑफर में खरीदा था तो एग्जैक्टली मैंने कितना प्राइस पे किया था. MRP तो यहाँ पे लिखा है, बट आई विल गिव यू द ऑफर प्राइस एज वेल. सो यू कैन चेक माय डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स बिलो फॉर द प्राइसिंग एंड एवरीथिंग. So the next thing that I bought is again the body lotion from the Nykaa Wanderlust range, and again the body lotion also I got in the variant Japanese Cherry Blossom because I really love the fragrance. मुझे इनका जो भी fragrance है across the Japanese Cherry Blossom, I really loved it. So I ordered this in combo. I ordered a body mist, I ordered a body lotion, and I also ordered their shower gel from the Japanese Cherry Blossom range. So this three I bought it in combo pack. So yes, next thing which I bought is basic, and I have already used a bit amount of it, and it's Saint Divins aloe vera gel, and I wanted to try a different aloe vera gel. I have been using the Patanjali one since a long time, so I wanted to try something new. So yes, here it is. I got this aloe vera gel, and I guess I paid it somewhere around 250 after discounting the sale. So yes, this is the other thing. Then I got a normal Lupa from Vega, so it was somewhere around 100 bucks, I guess. So yes. Then I got two Nykaa Skin Potion facial oil, and it's not new. It has been almost 15-20 days that I got it, and I have already used a bit of it. So I ordered the two range. One is the Skin Potion Dull and Dry Facial Oil, and another is the Skin Potion Overnight Repair Facial Oil. तो मैंने ये दो वेरिएंट ऑर्डर किया है, और मैंने ये ज़्यादा यूज़ किया है, नाइट रिपेयर वाला. एंड डल एंड ड्राई स्किन आई हैवंट यूज्ड इट दैट मच, एंड till now I have loved it. But let me know if you want to see a review of this products. I would be more than happy to share it with you. So yes, these are again the next two products which I got. उसके बाद जो मैंने लिया है is a basic lip balm, the baby lips range from the Maybelline. I really love them because they give you a tinted look as well on your lips, and also keeps it hydrated. So anytime go with it. I love them. I love all of their variants. So this time I have got I don't know the variant name. It may be somewhere here. Never mind. I'll give it in the description box below. I don't remember which variant this is. So yeah, I got this. Then I got a vitamin C face serum. So this is a face serum from Matra. It's a Matra vitamin C face serum. I have been seeing this since a long time on Instagram, and I have been reading the reviews and comments. I wanted to try this, and before that I have tried the Mamaearth vitamin C brightening serum, and somewhere it was really drying on my skin. I didn't like that so much, so I wanted something which has a more runny formula or a more water based formula. So it has a water based formula, vitamin C serum. So I thought, why not try it? So I'll try it, and I'll also share a review of it on my Instagram. And if you want a whole full-fledged video on YouTube, please do let me know. I'll also share it. So the last two products are, one is the Cetaphil moisturizer. So I love the Cetaphil moisturization range that they have. So this time I have ordered the Cetaphil Daily Advanced Ultra Hydrating Lotion. So this is the product that I have got. The price, again, I'll give in the description box this. I am not aware of the price that I have paid for it. And the last product is the Lotus Herbal Safe Sun in SPF 50 PA+++. So why I prefer Lotus sunscreens is because they have a water-based formula, and in summer or in monsoon, whenever I use a moisturizer which is in a thick kind of consistency, it really oils out my T-zone, which I don't like in long run when I'm going to office or something. So yeah, so I prefer Lotus K sunscreen because they are not at all oily and they don't oil out your T-zone. So yes, this is the sunscreen that I have ordered. So yes guys, this is it. These were the products that I wanted to share with you. It's not a very big haul, but thoda bahut products tha, and I have ordered all of this for the first time. I have never used them before, so that's why I wanted to share. And I also wanted to know if any of you have used any of this before, so you can leave your comments or your suggestions on the comment box below. And any of the product which you are planning to buy, which you are planning to try, but you want a genuine review on it, how was it, or should you buy it or not, so you can let me know. I'll surely share a detailed feedback on it. Till then, as you know what I'm gonna say, take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe, take care of your loved ones, and I'll again see you in my another video. Till then, I love you all. Take care of yourself.